get estimates for point-to-point distances and area. It's great for helping you calculate materials and costs for on-the-job estimates. This tool is intended to provide good quality distance estimates, not precise measurements. It uses alignment of the camera and built-in laser to get a distance value. Accuracy depends on the device being held parallel with the object or surface onto which you are projecting the laser, as well as the calibration between the laser and camera. The first time you launch the Measure app, you'll be asked to calibrate the tool. The best way to do this is to lay your Cat S61 on its back at the edge of a table. Using a tape measure, measure the distance from the floor to the phone and enter the distance into the app. On the next screen, the camera will attempt to automatically detect the red laser dot on the floor. A small green box should appear around the laser dot on the screen, indicating that it has been found. If the app struggles to find the dot, simply tap on the laser dot to manually identify. Next, tap the capture button. A magnified view of the laser dot will appear, with a crosshair in the center. Ensure the dot is in the middle of this crosshair by dragging the image as required, and press the capture button again to confirm. Calibration is now complete. The accuracy of your measurements can be affected by impacts to your device. To maintain accuracy, you should regularly recalibrate. For best results, we recommend recalibration after any drop.
Every day we throw away millions of electronic devices because they get old and become worn out. But usually it's only one of the components that causes the problem. So this is a new kind of phone. It's made of blocks. Detachable blocks. They are all connected to the base, and the base connects everything together. Electrical signals are transferred through the pins, and two small screws lock everything in place. So if, for instance, your phone is getting a little slow, you can just upgrade the block that affects the speed. Or if something breaks, you can easily replace it with a new one, or update it with the latest version. Another great thing about this is, you can customize your phone. So let's say this is your phone and you do everything in the cloud. Why not replace your storage block for a bigger battery block? If you're like this guy and love to take pictures, why not upgrade your camera? Or if you don't care, on the 29th of October we send out the blast, all at the same time. Spreading all your voices to show the world there is a need for a phone worth keeping. The more people involved, the bigger the impact.